Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant our salad turnip seeds in a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. Alrighty, in these two pots, we're going to plant the hockery turnips. Now, these are those small little turnips. They kind of taste like a radish apple. They are a salad turnip. They're not the ones that you cook, although you can cook them if you want. But these are the ones that you eat in the spring, summer, fall. You can keep growing them all season, but they are just a delight, and children love to eat these, so they're really fun to have. So what we got here in the pots is our secret seedling soil mix, and we do have some compost mixed in that. I'm going to tuck that handle in for right now. And the way I want to plant these is I want to go ahead and put 3 lines in here. But I want them fairly shallow because these are really, really tiny seeds. And we're going to go ahead and put these seeds about a 1/4 inch apart, maybe. We can always thin. Actually, the thinnings are really good. They make really good microgreens. So if you plant it a little thick, just go ahead and eat them for microgreens. Go ahead and get these seeds in. Now these germinate fairly quickly. So they should be up within a week. And I just want to lightly tap that soil over the top of them. I don't want to bury them too deep. Like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is put some mulch over the top of these. And that will help hold the moisture in the soil. And the seeds can come up. But I want this really thin because those are really tiny little plants. And then as they get bigger, we can mulch a little bit more because I'm a lazy gardener and I don't like to weed. So we're going to use mulch instead of having to do a lot of weeding, which is a nice way to do it. Now, these will be watered in very well. And then what we can do is we can also put our frost blanket. This is the lightweight frost blanket. We can put that over the top of it. That stops the wind from taking the moisture off the soil, and it just holds that moisture in a little bit more, and we can water right through this. So we can put this on for the week until we see them germinate. So it's just a nice way to help with the moisture. I will check these twice a day just to make sure that they have enough moisture. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online. And you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.